Hello everyone, and today we're gonna unbox the Mr. Bling Core Pack Series 1
Toy.
Yeah, toy. And this is 6 plus, so let's get started.
Be careful with the background
Okay, gonna have to be careful.
because I don't want to mess up the background because I like the background.
Yeah.
How about I take it?
Okay.
And you record it.
Okay. So hard. And we have the Captain Rampage already.
Yeah, but we were gonna unbox that in the next video.
Yeah. But we don't want to say buy it only from the Mr. Bling, only from the Captain Rampage. Because if we...
Okay, got the background.
And this is a pretty background with the lake.
Yeah, it's a nice background.
Yeah, it's like the pond or a frog jumps in it.
And then here is Mr. Bling.
Oh, here's the checklist.
Do you need help?
What? No, I don't need any help.
Okay.
No.
Let's see the checklist.
What? No.
Oh no, I fell!
What? No. It fell. No, it fell on the chair.
Okay.
Okay. I will.
Okay, I got enough. Be right back.
Okay. Oh, what was that?
I'm back.
Okay. Okay. What did
There
I
you go.
Let's
Let's continue.
Here's the code, but we can't show you the code because you can only use the code once, but never use it then at all. So you have to scratch out with your penny.
Let's go, Mr. Bling.
Wait, no. There's a necklace here. Okay, now. Oh, you know what? I'm going to get the green Mr. Bling Robux top hat today.
This is Mr. Bling's
Necklace.
bling.
Oh,
This is bling.
he always comes off.
Wait, I wanna. Oh.
What was that?
Can you fix him, please? We just got him and he's already broken.
Well, how would what you do with that? Oh, you could take off his hat.
Yeah.
Wow, well that's Robux.
Okay, now let's go.
And
This is Mr. Bling.
and this is his stuff.
He's obviously rich because he has a golden suit and a golden hat with money on it. And he has stars as eyes and a shiny teeth. So yeah.
Okay, I ripped it right.
And you can put his bling on. So yeah. It also comes with
A staff.
a staff.
Yeah, that you could hold it.
He can hold it as well. Okay.
Okay.
Here you go. I'll put it on.
Wait, no. Oops.
Take his head off.
And
That sounded wrong.
okay.
And then put on his necklace. Or I mean bling. And now put on his hat. And
Yeah.
then his staff.
Wait, hold on a minute.
Why did you take off his legs?
What? No, I was trying to get that. Let's make him hold the staff.
Oh.
Oh, wait. Could he hold anything? Oh, he's holding it. Okay.
It's
Now,
Mr. Bling.
okay, let's see the checklist.
That's nice.
Yeah, it's a nice checklist. Okay, it says mix and match parts, but it doesn't say new toys are coming soon. But
The series 2 is already out.
yeah, but
So this is the checklist.
oh, we have the
We have
Mr.
Mr. Bling
and the
we
Captain
also have Captain
Rampage.
Rampage, but we're gonna unbox him in the next video.
And so we have to work at a
We
pizza
also
place.
have both the game packs, Roblox High School, and work at a pizza place. But we don't have the champions of Roblox.
Yeah, it's very expensive. Okay, I am scratching off the code.
We have Noob007. We have.
Yeah,
Oh, I really want Builderman.
Why?
Because I want to. We have Epic Miner. We want the Classic Noob, but we don't have them. We have Keith. We have
Shadow Sky.
Shuttle Sky.
And Eric Cassell.
Cassell. I also want the girl guest.
Well, yeah, I want the boy guest.
And Alex Neutron and Dude One.
And Stick Master Luke.
Yeah.
Yeah, we really want those, but otherwise our word doesn't match. Oops, that's the wrong side you did.
Wait, hold on. Set a background.
Ooh, I did.
And then
Oh,
here.
I fit it. Wow, this is very cool.
I love the Roblox background. They look nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Are you scratching off the code?
Yep. With it, honey. I can't scratch it off.
Can you help?
Well, no, I don't need any help.
So this is Mr. Bling Bling. And now we are going to.
And forgot to redeem the code and get the item.
Yeah.
But we don't have the iPhone 6s.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mom has it.
Yeah. So yeah. I'll be right back to show them Mr. Bling Bling because I'm gonna go get the phone.
Okay. Okay, how about this? I got it. A few moments later.
Okay. Got a code, yes.
Got a code, and you are leaving now.
Continue.
Passwords.
Okay, I need the code now.
Okay,
Got it.
Sandy. Okay,
Got
okay. Okay, let's read.
Is this your account? Yes, it is. Okay,
Yes.
enter toy code.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm just showing typing. I don't want to be right back. Oh, I don't want to do that.
And redeem. Yeah, you got it. View item.
Green Robux stop
You got it.
Yes.
Okay, now let's go to Roblox.
And we have it here.
Oh, this is my account.
Could you log out, please?
Log out. Log in.
And as
This is what my brother looks like when he has the top hat.
yeah. Well, do not show.
And it has money on, no, I mean Robux on the sides. Imagine if you actually
become rich.
No, imagine if you actually got Roblox, if you got the code, if you got codes and stuff. That'd be cool. I think Roblox should actually do that. Because if you get the toys, you're basically giving money, and then you spend money on Robux. So yeah.
Oh, I don't have any Robux.
Yeah.
I have 0 of them, but I still only have the hat.
Thank you everyone so much. What?
No, I don't want to say bye.
What do you want to do?
Just stop recording. Could you stop recording, please? Thank you everyone so much for watching
this
We
video.
We hope you enjoyed it.
Like, subscribe, and comment.
Or dislike. No, dislike. No, if you dislike, I'm going to delete.
No.
Do not delete that.
Okay. And I hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and comment on the video. And yeah, that's it for Mr. Bling Bling unboxing video. And yeah, we hope you enjoyed.
Bye. Bye. Boo. boo, 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 boo.